Hello everyone, I am Sukish. I am student in QSpiders Chrompet branch. So I joined here to get placed as an IT engineer. So I am from a non-IT background student. So my undergraduation I am done in mechanical department, but I am not willing to work in my field. So my sister referred me in this institute, so I joined in this institute and I gained a lot of technical skills. So I placed as a automation engineer in a startup company named as Strong Technologies. So the repeat preparation made me as a well-trained candidate. And also the trainers in QSpiders Chrompet branch trained me very well to get placed in the interview, and they gave a lot of confidence how to attend the interviews